Hey language learners, want to boost your English and have some fun while doing it? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into real-life English, the kind you actually use when you're chatting with friends, making plans, and having those daily conversations. And guess what? You're going to practice 10 of the most common phrasal verbs you need to know to sound natural in English. Ever said something like, I can't wait to catch up this weekend, or I hope you don't turn up late? If not, don't worry. By the end of this test, you'll be using these phrasal verbs like a native speaker. So here's the deal. In just 20 questions, I'm going to challenge you to pick the right phrasal verb to complete the sentence. It's super easy, fun, and will teach you how to sound more natural when speaking. For example, look at this sentence. We should really blank soon. It's been way too long. Is it catch up, give up, or pick up? Got it? The correct answer is catch up. You'd say this when you haven't seen someone in a while and you want to talk about what's been going on in each other's lives. Ready for the full test? Let's see how many of these phrasal verbs you already know and use. But here's the deal. Don't just watch. I want you to participate and challenge your friends too. Share the link and tag them to test their skills. By the way, if you missed the last lesson where we explain these phrasal verbs in depth with real examples, go check it out now. I'll link it right here.